Hello, fantastic educators! Are you ready to explore the world of creativity and originality in your students' writing? Well, stop dreaming because today is the day your literacy dreams come true. This amazing technology resource guides students to bring their writing to life. We are thrilled to demonstrate the use of Story Jumper!
Now let's jump right into it. This technology resource can make informational, fiction, and nonfiction text come to life with print and graphic features, some of which are titles, bold words, highlighted words, maps or charts, captions, diagrams, and table of contents, just to name a few. This is a great comprehension tool to have your students visualize author's purpose, along with making a text-to-world connection.
This works great for upper-level elementary students to enhance their literacy strategies and writing skills. This amazing technology resource is free to use, but also has features where students can create an audiobook, ebook, paperback, and even a hardcover copy for purchase.
Now to the important part, how Story Jumper works. First, have your students create their own story, or you may use a mentor text to create an authentic version of a book. You will start with the cover page, and as you can see, there are a variety of colors to choose from, and even patterns. Once they have created their cover page with the title, the students will then go to the left-hand side and start choosing props. After they have chosen the props that they would like to use, they will then move on to scenes. They also have photos to choose from. There is a wide variety of each to choose, and if you can't find a photo there, you may search it on the web. If you look at the bottom, you will also be able to see each page, and this is helpful for students while they're editing their book.
Here's a demonstration that a fourth grader created. The title reads, Our Adventure in the Forest by Evelyn. My sister and I were walking in a forest. When we were walking, we heard loud noises. We were really scared. We started running, but a tiger started chasing us. My sister and I climbed into a tree. My sister and I yelled for help. My mom heard my sister and came to help. My mom caught the mean tiger in a cage. My mom, sister, and I took the tiger to a wildlife center where he will get to live his life and not hurt people. The end.
Here is a demonstration of a classroom full of engaged students showing their own published books. Story Jumper is compatible with smartboards, which is great for students to show off their finished work. We hope you enjoy this amazing literacy resource.